Crypto crash. Gensler's gift, right? Yeah, here we are. We're crashing. This is a nice little red candle here. So, should we just sell everything and run away? Is crypto dead? Let's take a look here. Looking right at this here, we can see SEC sued this guy and his exchange. So, Binance was sued by Gary Gensler and the gang. And yeah, they're throwing all the book at this guy and declaring a bunch of things, some securities too. In fact, let's take a look at that here. In the lawsuit, now this is funny. In the lawsuit, they're declaring Solana, ADA, Matic, Filecoin, Atom, Sand, Mana, or BSD, a stable coin. Really, a security? How can a stable coin be a security? This just demonstrates the total complete incompetence of Gary Gensler and the SEC, Algo. There's some others here you can read. So yeah, I obviously don't believe most of these are securities, especially not a stable coin. Um, so is this going to kill crypto? I don't think so. Actually, I like the Binance response here, and I highlighted a section that was interesting to me, and I'll read that. Perhaps most surprising, the SEC's actions undermine America's role as a global hub for financial innovation and leadership. That's right. Digital asset laws remain largely undeveloped in much of the world, and regulation by enforcement is not the best path forward. An effective regulatory framework demands collaborative, transparent, and thoughtful policy engagement, a path the SEC has abandoned. And that's right. People have asked repeatedly for clarity from the SEC, and they just won't answer anyone's questions. See the Coinbase lawsuit against them, but instead they just come around and slap charges against you without ever asking questions when they are approached. It's clear that they are trying to do what they can here to kill crypto. And I think that Gary Gensler here is he's like a fish out of water flopping around. He's about to lose against XRP, looking for a win. So he's coming up with this frivolous lawsuit here, and I don't know if this is just a man of desperation making a desperate play, or maybe he's seeking headlines and attention. Maybe it's an attention grab. I don't know, but I don't really expect this to go anywhere. In fact, I expect the SEC to take a loss here, at the very best, get some sort of settlement. Maybe they're just trying to, pinch some pennies and get some money from, Binance and Ripple Foundation, through settlements, which will probably happen. The SEC will probably make some money on the deal. It did push things lower, and it does, prevent US from really being an innovator in the space like Hong Kong is. And we can see Hong Kong leading the way and pushing for Web3 adoption. So the future is strong. It remains strong for crypto. I don't see any problems here. In fact, this one did not make the major headlines today because everyone's worried about the crypto crash and the SEC lawsuit. But El Salvador partnership to build $1 billion Bitcoin mining farm on a volcano. That's right. All the people that are saying that Bitcoin uses too much energy don't realize that miners often put themselves next to energy that would be otherwise wasted. This is not the first time something like this has happened. This is a big investment, and the miners are continuing to build. The Bitcoin hash rate continues to climb, and it's at all-time highs and rising. So despite this little frivolous lawsuit here that Gensler's coming up with, that's going nowhere, by the way, it's never been stronger. Bitcoin's never been stronger. So I took advantage of this opportunity and bought more crypto today. Today's a buy day. I love big red candles. Like, look at this giant red candle here on ApeCoin. ApeCoin is a young enough project that we're back at its all-time lows. So this is obviously strong support. It really doesn't have much downside and a whole lot of upside from here. It's a very strong partnership with Yuga Labs. I'm very happy to buy in this zone. And other projects with more history like Ethereum came down a bit, but still have a lot more downside to go. I've got a buy order down here around 1650 or so, where all this high volume is. I don't think that order will fill, but if we go down further, I am certainly, I don't have to do anything. That buy order will execute if Ethereum goes that low. I don't think I'll be so lucky. Yeah, you can tell I'm excited. I love the red days as far as Bitcoin, because that drives everything. I'm not really buying any Bitcoin, but I'm looking at other projects right now and looking at some of their support levels with high volume, looking how much more downside they have to go, and that's really why I jumped into ApeCoin today, or you could say I aped into ApeCoin. Ha! Didn't. Anyways, yeah, it's a great day to buy. I love ApeCoin today. It's at the lowest it's been, and if it returns to its all-time highs, it's basically a 10x from here, and it should go well beyond that in the next bull market. I only bought like $300 worth, so if it returns to its all-time highs, I guess that would be 3,000. Right now, I think I'm down like $3 on the transaction. It went a little lower after I bought, but I'm not too worried about it. So, what do you think? Is crypto dead? Did Gary Gensler just kill crypto today, or is this a gift from Gary Gensler? Could we call this Gary's gift to us to get us a discount today and give us a nice red day to buy? Some of us are definitely taking it as a gift. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for stopping by the live stream. Well, and again, this is Modern Money Makers. Any projects that you're excited about buying on a discount, yeah, please let me know down below. I'm looking at quite a few myself, trying to set some targets for buys right now. So until next time, enjoy Gary's gift.